Hey everybody, we're working on our Craigslist prototype, and we were thinking of something like this where you can see a drop down. This would be different from what Craigslist has now, which is overwhelming. And so we were hoping to do something a little more simple. As we talked last week, we thought of something, maybe I liked this idea of this Locanto, where they have the search item, the zip location, miles. I don't love that idea because I'd like to just put in, hey, I'm looking for an iPhone, enter. I also think that it will pull up where we are. So say we're close to Salt Lake City, and it'll naturally pull that up. But if I wanted to find something for my nephew in, say, Provo, I want to be able to just put in location. So maybe here in this zip location, we could have just a drop down that would show that. That's another idea that I came up with as I was developing the prototype. Let me show you what I came up with. I have this Craigslist page with the logo on the left side, search location, miles. It would be really cool if I could just put in iPhone, enter under search instead of having to go through and click here. But the thing I was most concerned about this week was getting these tabs to have a sub item. I didn't do it on all of them, but I did show it on for sale. And still, on the Craigslist page, there's a ton of for sale. It could probably be, I don't know, 30 items. Too many still. We're hoping that this this navigation kind of bar would go onto every page so that they don't have to go back. They can just click on, say, okay, I'm done looking at for sale, I'm going to go into housing. Also, there's a lot of space here, but we need to work on a ending bar, and the ending bar needs to have things in it like all of these things here. Some like helps and all these things that can go on the bottom. So that's kind of what I've got going this week, and I'm trying to figure out how to share that. Anyway, thanks.